Is it nice for you to? Does it look nice to you to see these people drinking, drunk, arguing, acting stupid? That's something you really want to be. Is that the direction you want your life to go into? Check here. When you look at the people outside now, these people staying around us, what do you think? What is so nice about these people's lives that you see around us? Is it nice for you to? Does it look nice to you to see these people drinking, drunk, arguing, acting stupid? That's something you really want to be. Is that the direction you want your life to go into? So why are you doing the same thing that will get you or have you end up in the same place like they are?
Alles is reg.
So why do you do the same things that got them where they are today? Why are you following the same directions?
Hoe ben jy nou?
What are you doing different than those people? You are doing the same thing. You are doing the same things
Okay,
that they did.
In die huis.
Huh?
In die huis. Kyk TikTok elke dag. Lê, skryf wakker. Loop 'n bietjie buite.
You are doing the same thing that those people are doing. So that means you are going to in the same direction as them. So why do you want that type of life?
Ja, liewen.
So why are you not doing something different?
Hoe different?
I asked you to start the clothing brand with me. I told you to start learning. Now you're taking me for a gat here.
Nee. Jy het 'n joke gemaak.
Yes, but how much research did you do?
Reset. Nog not.
So it means you don't take me seriously, Moes.
I did not find research.
Je was zeer kijken op YouTube. Als klomp video's.
Oh, my brain te
Je
maken.
was zeer leer om te tekenen. Je beide dingen gezien. So, als je moet nou wel iets gaan beginnen doen. Om een betere toekomst te hebben. Dan gaat je met dezelfde toekomst wat die mensen heeft. Of wat je ook maar niks weet alcoholic is. Dat je liever verloren dan op een of andere dag eerder in de kussen is. Of 40, 50 jaar oud is. En net shape in nice times as a leave it was a sit maar uit te zien. Most of these people's lives just revolves around the weekend. So why are you going in that same direction?
Ik weet om te tikken. Je kan tikken. Tikken naar elkaar.
What can you draw? Can you draw that? Can you draw that? Yeah.
Ja, maak toe.
Don't lie.
Maak
Just
toe.
like that.
Ja.
If I give you a pen or something to draw with and paper, or you draw it just like that.
Is al lang vat ja. Als zo, Emma, ako.
Yeah, but it's more than just art. We don't really need to draw something.
Hindi maken. Hindi maken. Ik kan maken.
Yes, but the brand is more than just about that. And it's about who is your target market? Who do you want to sell your clothes to? Who will be able to buy it? Be able to pay for it?
Mensen.
People of 8 years old, people of 10 years old, 16-year-old children, or teenagers. 5-year-old, which one is your target audience? Will you be mostly focusing on men or women? Boys or girls?
Woman.
What do you know about women's clothing?
Ik koop altijd de meeste kleuren.
Yes, but what do you know about women's clothing?
Iedereen hebben een leuke
Which is the favorite materials that women like to wear?
leder.
No, they don't wear leather. When did you ever see a woman in a leather a leather shirt.
Leader mo, ay, leader tights, ay.
Yes, once a year,
Amo ka?
every day.
Yeah.
What lady? Does your mom wear a leather pants every day?
Hindi, pamana naman bukan ni tickets.
Does your mom wear a leather jacket and a leather pants every day?
Leader ticket, ya.
Every day.
Ya, kitaki. Tug tayo.
Sometimes once a month.
No, yung leader
Once
maki.
a month.
Yan, leader
Once every
maki.
second month. Now you cannot sell something that people want to wear only once a month.
Pre.
You need, if you want to sell clothes, then you want to sell things that they can wear every day, so that you can sell a lot of those materials
I'm just-
to that person,
Okay.
so that you can sell a lot of items to one person, say between 2 and 10 items, so that person can wear it multiple times or different times every week, so they can wear multiple different styles. So
Aye.
which materials is the best? Are you going to be making them t-shirts? That's why you need to do research,
Oh,
so that you can know what to sell them, what type of designs do they like.
ako, titino siya. You must make t-shirts, cause you must go
Speak louder.
research.
Yes,
Baksan. Research, research.
yes,
Ano magmusan?
I know what I said.
No?
Are you going to be making tops? Are you going to be making t-shirts? Are you going to be making spaghetti tops? Are you going to be making blouses?
Sweetest.
Yeah, so that means you're gonna be selling them printed, things that are printed on. So what color do they like the most? Which color is the best color to sell to them?
Black. Black and white.
Now people, yes, but then it's gonna have to be mostly white with black print on it. But that sounds a little boring. So which color would they like? Which color is gonna draw them?
Pink.
No,
Turquoise.
that color
Turquoise.
there, that color there, that color combination.
Blauw wat groen. Blauw wat. Blauw wat. Ja, ja, ik kan hij drie colors in.
Yes,
Kan één keer.
everybody loves that combination.
Groen. Turquoise.
Everybody loves red, white, and blue.
Ja, man.
Some may not like the color red, some may not like the color blue, some may not like the color white. But put all of them together, and everybody loves that color. That's why you will find that color on everything.
No, wat is je favorite color?
Purple.
Okay, maar je net twee colors. Hij is zwart. In wat? Ada mensen dat altijd wat of zwart.
Never.
Ja,
I've never seen you in anything white.
Is dat zwart? Is die zwart?
Who told you that?
Ik
No, there are people who told you that
wat?
it's lying.
Ik draai wat in zwart in meer staan.
How long have you had this stickies?
4 maanden.
It's already stuck.
Die zo. En dan altijd terug.
Because you're always kicking.
Ik zie koffie. Ik dans.
Dance dat die leather boos stukken is.
Nu uit
Die
leven daar
is
ik
volle stukken.
daar was zo. Het is veel
Staan op, wat ik zie. Staan op.
En dan die kant.
Dance, daar is je niet dansen.
Niet de iemand.
Je staan voor alles.
Ik ga.
Je wat je dansen.
Die kan dansen. Maar hij naar dansen. Hij dansen.
Gevaarlijke dans.
Hij dansen.
Die is dans.
Ha, die.
Wat is dat dans?
Dans, als is zo niet. Dans is Michael Jackson. Wie wil je Michael Jackson? Hij verkeerd die. Michael Jackson is ja die mensen wat er aan het.
Een van die meeste doelstellingen. Van hoe koos je met die? Daar moet iemand meer door gaan. Wat waar doet er gaan het? Wanneer doet er gaan het? Hoe doet er gaan het?
Michael Jackson was eerst mijn niefje.
Je doet niet veel visie. Ik ga nou zijn samen op school geweest.
Mijn niefje. Mijn nummer. Hebben die Michael Jackson niet van nummer neer maken verstaan?
Samen dan. Michael Jackson
En Michael Jackson kan zijn namen.
Peres. En Blanket.
Die van mij. Ik weet ook een nummer maken. Ik doe een song van Michael Jackson. Achterna en toen. Dus laat hij mij.
Blauw.
Met hem schoenen.
Scheepschoenen.
Stik met die oog. Toen was hij.
Ja.
Doe haal ik het uit. Ik dacht, of ik ook hier. Aan elkaar zo maken naar brand de bikini. Aan mijn ogen, amper uitval.
Ik doe het trouwens kijk scheepschoen. Heel gedacht is.
Aan die. Ik gooi eerst daar recht uit. Ik word weer uit. Ja, het is zo. Ik weet dat ik die stro, die ammunition recht af. Hij brengt toe.
Nee, recht af.
Hij doet
Recht af is af. Hij is op.
Dat is zo, recht op in mijn brein. En toen. Maak hem. Alle bloed op. Ik bloed meer reageren.
Anyways, what do you think about starting a brand under Keto Exodus?
Alright?
When can we start?
Phone yeah.
What would you
I-
like the name to be?
Keto Exodus ITL021. This is very important.
Then maybe I should just start the name
Did you start with it now?
with the
Keto
name that I
Exodus?
already wanted,
sure.
like Bird Down 7349. Maybe I should just bring that up back again.
Oh, di kayo sumana, hiso? Hiso Keto Exodus? Huh? Ang magdidi hiso ko wali, patang.